Today we are making potato gratin. Thinly sliced potatoes are baked in a rich and creamy sauce. It is a popular Western-style dish that everyone loves in Japan. Its brown surface is especially appetizing, making it a universally appealing dish. A full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit or 215 degrees Celsius. Peel the potatoes and slice them thinly, about 1/8 inch or 3 mm pieces, like that. And we are going to soak them in water for 5 minutes, then strain. Arrange the potato slices in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate and cover with the plastic wrap and microwave for 4 to 5 minutes until potatoes are softer. Remove the plastic wrap and set aside. Next, slice onion thinly and heat oil in a frying pan and cook the onion until tender and set aside. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and mix with the panko breadcrumbs and set aside. Finely chop the parsley. We are going to use this for topping later. Next, we are going to make the bechamel sauce. Heat 3 tablespoons of butter until melted. Then add the all-purpose flour and cook for a couple of minutes until bubbling. And gradually add the milk, stirring constantly with a whisk to avoid lumps. And heat until the sauce thickens. And we are going to add the seasonings, just simple salt and pepper, and stir. Add the shredded cheese and stir and let it melt. Spread some bechamel sauce on the bottom of a baking dish. Place half of the cooked potato slices in a single layer, then top with half of the cooked onion. Spread half of the bechamel sauce over the layer, then add the remaining potato slices and onion, and finally pour the rest of the sauce on top. Top with the panko and butter mixture and bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. And garnish with chopped parsley. Serve immediately while hot. Potato gratin serves as an excellent side dish for Japanese Western meals like hamburger steaks or Japanese beef steaks. A hot, bubbling potato gratin brings the warmth of winter to any table. Try this delightful dish this holiday season.
美味しい。美味しいね。